Our flight is supposed to be in 2 hours, but we're not boarding a flight. And guess why? 因为这个人。
哎。
We're checking out today, and we are going to Hua Hin. Just for a little short excursion, a little beach holiday. I think we're done with the city pretty much. It's too much eating, so the next 2 days is going to be a little rest and easy, just chill and really not doing anything. How does it feel like to be older by a year?
Depressing.
Not so bad. You're not that old.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Just checked in at the Standard Hotel in Hua Hin. So just gonna show you guys a little room tour. I booked the villa with a garden view. This is how it looks like outside. Whoops! Then moving forward, here is the closet. It's a very big closet space. I think the bathroom is by far my favorite space of the room. Here's the bathtub and a little shower. Super cute. Okay, just got ready. We're gonna head to the poolside and chill out. Just gonna have a super relaxing day, and then it's gonna be dinner. Are we ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Ready to read a little, have a little drink, get some sun. You're tired? Should I tell you?
Try and see. I don't try.
Okay. Ready? Dinner ready. I'm starving. hungry. So cute! Tippy toes, tippy taps. Tippy taps. Guys, so we're back in Bangkok City and our flight is supposed to be in 2 hours.
No, now.
2. It's 6:30. But we're not boarding a flight.
Because we're rebels.
Guess what? And guess why? 因为这个人.
Hey!
Okay, anyhow, so
Wow! Quickly change subject.
we were supposed to do our PCR test.
They don't even know that.
Turns out it's difficult to get tested in Hua Hin because we were in Hua Hin and we're thinking, oh, maybe we can do a test in Hua Hin and then head to the airport. Unfortunately, it's very hard to get a test in Hua Hin. And also, if you were to get tested in Hua Hin, it takes, I think, a day or more than a day. So we obviously couldn't do that because our flight is tonight and we could have done it yesterday or a day before, but yeah, I think we're too chill about it. So we got our COVID test done, our PCR test just now. So we'll get the results tomorrow morning and then we'll fly back to KL in the afternoon. So we have another night here in Bangkok. I guess we're just gonna catch up with some work and then see what else can we do.
We're gonna check
But
out the
this
bar
is
we wanted to go actually.
Huh?
The bar we wanted to go.
Yeah, so we were deciding maybe we should go to a night market, but it's raining right now. So either the bar that we wanted to go or night market. We paid!
What do you mean? Oh, you mean
For
just now?
nothing.
That's okay. Okay. It's all about life experiences.
So I ordered some food from Supaniga eating room. It's like a
Wait, you ordered so little?
quite a famous Thai place.
2 soups.
Oh, I did. I got you tom yum.
You got
Forgot.
2 soups, a veg, a meat, and a rice?
Is that all?
Yeah.
I thought I got an omelette. It's okay, it's your food. So I got some chicken wings, some stir-fried kailan, masaman chicken curry, and a spicy pork soup. I wonder how does it taste. It sounds very interesting. Spicy pork soup. But this is gonna be our dinner. Light dinner.
Late
Light.
lunch.
Late lunch. Oh yeah, because we were busy getting the COVID testing sorted, so we didn't really eat. Okay, now we can eat in peace. Bon appetit! It's actually not bad at all.
Let me get you some shake.
I don't want so much. The spicy pork soup is actually really good.
You want any more meat? Wait, spoon?
It tastes a little bit like tom yum, right?
Not really. It's just
Or like
sour.
more limey.
Yeah.
I can have this
What's that got? Alcohol.
every other day. Approved. Okay, I'm gonna try the masaman curry.
Tastes like it's got alcohol.
Smells like it's got a super sweet. But I realized a lot of the Thai dishes is quite sweet. That's one thing that I'm not very used to because I like my food savory and salty. We gotta crack this salted fish. It's like crispy fried salted fish. Super fragrant. With some kailan. Let's go. p.m. right now. And we're actually going out.
On a Monday.
We're walking to this rooftop bar that is about a 9-minute walk from our hotel. Gonna check it out. It's like the it place now in Bangkok. We wanted to go like a few days ago, but we didn't have a chance. So since we have one more night, we've decided to go check it out. Where? A lot of mangoes. Some coconut cream. Whoa. Oh my gosh, looks so good. Okay, I'm gonna have the first bite. First bite. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh, look at
A lot of places are open up. But I cannot now. Too full. Oh my god, KFC.
You can try.
Too full.
But I feel like Malaysia KFC. No, actually no. Malaysia McDonald's are still the best compared to like other places.
Too much. Look at my too much.
No.
You just want me to be fat, so I cannot run away. Is it good?
Just eat. I just told you. The mango is very ripe. It's very sweet, but it's not overly sweet. It's very good.
The rice is very good.
Approved.
Approved.
Yummy. We're really gonna go tomorrow.
Just to experience it. It's a famous bar.
I feel like an